Ba-da-ba-da-bum, ba-da-ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Hi, I'm Liz, and this is Lizcapism. This channel is about things. The things we've worn, that we've used, that we've known, that we've kept with us, and the things we've forgotten. These things make up a story that I think is worth telling. Knowing where we've been is a pretty good start in knowing where to go next, don't you think? Stick around, we've got lots to talk about. And at the end of it, maybe we'll come to understand each other a little bit better. I'll see you soon.